What is going on, guys? So right now I am installing the WeatherTech mud flaps. As you can see, it already has the pre-installed holes, and all you got to do is just match it up with each side, which you could see right here. RH for right hand side, and each mud flap is labeled. Go for about $100, not too expensive, but this is something that definitely should have been OEM on this truck, but unfortunately it wasn't. But I'm gonna time the install, and I'll let you guys know how it is and how long it took. It should be pretty easy since it's already the holes are already pre-installed. So let's see if everything comes out well. All right, guys. So I just got the OEM bolt out or screws, and now we gotta install these. All right, guys. So basically, I just took out the screws from there, and it's the OEM screws, the 4. All you do is you just align it. It's already pre-cut to fit and flush with this right here. All I gotta do is just install it. Easy, simple. Should take about like 20 minutes. Not too long. But yeah, I'll show you the results. All right, guys. So I installed all the mud flaps on the truck. Came out nice. It's sturdy. Ain't going nowhere. Didn't take too long. Nothing crazy. But yeah, that's it. That's the WeatherTech mud flaps.